Grabe. Ning tubo na guys. Wa na jud ani guys. Mauna jud ni. So when you lie down with that machine, you naked? Huh? As in totally naked?
And we had it at the house and you never ate it either.
I love it. I
But
finished
you never
it.
ate it. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Look, tumaas guys. Lumaki. Tignan nyo ang taas. Look, tignan yung kamay ko. Look, tumaas ya guys. Ginoo ko, Lord. Kailangan na yung i-transfer. But anyway, good morning. Andun si Tami sa labas. Kaka-shower ko lang. And yung ano, si Tami nag-alala kasi. Tignan nyo. Good morning, Tiam! Good morning, baby! Hello, love. Good morning. Good morning, yeah. Good morning. Happy, Tiam? You want food, I know. Tignan nyo si Tami. Hala. It's not really that windy, yan.
Don't take much wind to blow burning
Hala, look.
things up.
Hala, guys. Nag-ano sila doon, guys. Tignan mo, guys. May sunog.
You know, you got little flakes of burning things that blow in the wind. It's all dry grass and crap.
Oh my God.
It'll be like California.
Nakakatakot kasi may kaunting hangin. Look, oh. Kitang-kita, oh. This is scary, honey. Tignan lang natin kung anong resulta nito. Katakot naman yan. Ito ay Ginoo ko guys. Nag-ano talaga sila guys. Nagsunog talaga. No? It's windy han. Han, it's windy han. Katakot. Si Tami may appointment. Yung MRI niya guys. Yung MRI ni Tami is na-aprobahan na. And he has an appointment today. So yun, magpunta siya and he doesn't want me to go with him. He has a bad plan.
A bad plan?
Ayaw niya ako makasama.
Right, the plan to keep you safe was a bad idea.
Tapos na kaming nag-shower dalawa and ang ginaw sa labas. It's 42 degree dahil sa hangin maginaw. 42 degree, asa na tantata. So yan guys, so walang magawa. Binalik ko lang itong damit ko kahapon kasi okay lang naman magbalik ng damit. Hindi naman madumi. So yan. Anong oras? Almost 11 o'clock. Maaga pa guys. Maaga pa. And then nag-upload din ako ng video. Nag-upload ako dito. What are you guys watching? You guys are staring at Mama Mana. What the heck is going on in the kitchen? And you spoiled that bag so much. And there's another one, guys. Debs, Deblert, Deblert. Hoy, look at me. Debs, Dimplert. Hi, Dim. Baby Dim. You know what I'm gonna do, hon? We have a U-Haul box over there. I'm gonna decorate some of it. Yeah, I'm gonna open a door for them. Han, put that little man down. Seriously? That's too much. That's too much, little boy.
Everybody look at you like who you are. Puppies want to know who is that?
That's where you make a difference. Our whole mission here at Spectrum News is to break down complicated issues, and we provide analysis.
We need to put that back. It's not windy anymore. We have to put that cushion back to the back porch. He's leaving, guys, and he doesn't want me to go. So what I do is making a thumbnail. And God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you. I'll be back. See you later.
I love you,
Bye,
man.
Dipper-Loops.
Hey.
Bye, Roxy Puppy.
Hey.
Bye, Missy Buck.
Take care, huh?
I'm fine.
Don't touch anything. And call me when you're done. And try your best to lie down there and imagine something makes you happy, okay? Tommy? Wear your gloves. Mask, I love you. So, umalis na si Tami. So, ngayon, hintayin ko na lang siya. So, ako, magwihis na lang din ako. And, I think I'm going to cut the thing sa harap ng bahay. I don't know when I'm gonna cut this. It's already long. Yung grass namin. May nilagay ako na basura doon sa bedroom. Hindi na lang niya dinala doon para itapon. Anyway. So, hintayin natin. Hopefully, maano yung asawa kasi kailangan niya yung MRI. Matagal na yung kailangan niya, guys. Yung MRI na yan. Maginaw pa rin. Meron pa tayong vitamins. Anuhin ko lang to siya. Ito yung vitamins namin, guys, na ginagamit. Non-acidic, ester C. Like that. Gentle and non-acidic. Bigay ito ng pinsan ni Tami. So, ngayon, maghanap tayo ng kakainin for dinner. Hala ka, uy, naku, hindi na talaga ma-open. So, mag-ano tayo kung ano yung kakainin natin. Mag-burger na lang sana kami, be. I can. Mag-burger na lang kami, guys. Mag-burger. Sabihin ko kay Tami mamaya. Yun na lang yung dinner namin, mag-burger. Wala pa rin yung asawa ko. Ang tagal. Tignan natin, hala guys. Natapos na yung buti na lang walang disgrasyang nangyayari. Ay nako Lord. So natapos na silang nagsunog pero meron pang mga leftover look aso.
Just a second. How can you police every move and that's really freedom in America? Wait, does that contribute?
Mag-start akong mag-cut ng grass kapag yung kapitbahay namin doon mag-start na din siya. Yun yung gagawin ko kasi I think uulan bukas, hindi ako sure. Tinitignan ko lang yung horseradish ni Tami. Guys, tumubo na siya. Pakita ko nga sa inyo. Pero lagyan ko siya ng tubig. Aray, no. Para masaya ito din. Look. Ano ito guys ni Tami guys? Dito siya. Grabe doon. Oh. Come here, Rox. Look. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys ha. Grabe. Ning tubo na guys, wa na jud ani guys, mauna jud ni. Mauning giingon nga garden is life na jud. Garden is life na jud ani ron. Dito ipakita ko sa inyo dito. Yung aso dun oh. Hindi pa pala tapos. Hi Rox. May naghukay doon guys. Oh, ito talagang mga hayop dito. Hinukay yung namin. So, walang bulak dito. Gusto kong tamnan ng bulak kaso walang init. Hindi siya dito ba? Hindi yung sun. Hapon lang magkaano. Hay, ang hangin. Ang hangin ng mundo. Hala guys. Wala na tayong makita, guys. Ano kayang nangyari doon? Look. Hangin sa hangin. Hala. Look at that, guys. Nakakatakot naman ito. Alam nyo, guys, bakit ako takot? Dahil sa mga nangyayari sa California yung ganito. Dry pa naman yung mga kahoy ngayon. So, Tom is here. Hi, baby. He's washing dishes. Because his wife doesn't wash dishes. Kumain lang siya guys. Kaya hinugasan lang niya yung hala, Ginoo ko Lord. Look at that God. Hala. Oh my God. It's so white. So, his Tammy's MRI guys. Hindi pa daw siya okay. Hindi. They don't tell you right? The result. So, when are you gonna... So, when you lie down with that machine, you naked? Huh? As in totally naked?
No, you're a robot.
I thought somebody look at your junior. What? Look, he's shaking his head, guys. So there is a gown they give you.
Yeah.
Even underwear is off. So how was your breathing though?
Okay.
Are you not like struggling?
I took aspirin before I went though.
What is offering? Ah, no spray. Okay.
Because it makes it worse because of the mask.
Oh, you wear mask even there? Inside? Really hard then for you. They told you to do that?
No, I just assumed, you know. 'Cause other people were in that machine, so what? They were coughing in there? What the heck?
Oh, is it freaking close to your face? Can you go to shower again?
But I was itching like crazy and you can't move.
Look. Oh, my baby. You're so guapo. I love you. You are my baby. Ha? It is 5:80 na. Pakainin ko na lang tong mga doggies natin. And, ang kainin namin is burger. Ito, si Tami. Naglabas ng burger. Look.
There we go. And then they want to do a video call or some crap.
Just make sure you don't hear from that second appointment with that number.
I didn't because they of course nothing to the bank because they just pushed it through today. And I checked. I didn't do a print, but I did do a screenshot from every page I filled out, and I absolutely did put. Geez, you think?
To make you feel any better, my girlfriend who applied around the same time you did, or probably even earlier, because she's actually been.
Okay.
And then she was complaining about the stipend from from the government.
Ito na siya, guys. Kain tayo ng burger. Kainin namin ni Tami is itong munggo beans and asparagus. Masarap man yung munggo beans, guys. And then asparagus. Tapusin lang namin tong asparagus. Ito yung ano namin. Wala kasi kaming ginagawa today. Ang ginawa lang ni Tami is nagpunta lang siya sa MRI niya. Finally, talagang finally, nakapag-MRI na si Tamimoy natin. Please.
None?
Please, baby. I'm making you one now. I'm making you one now.
Ketchup?
The ketchup is here. We're just going to finish this because Tammy like I don't like Tammy like that.
Garlic? Everybody likes garlic.
Yeah.
Garlic is the best thing. Even with cheese on it, it still tastes like a booger.
Okay. Ketchup. Before, guys, gustong-gusto ko yung banana ketchup. Well, gusto ko pa naman din yung banana ketchup, but Tammy doesn't like banana ketchup.
No, I don't. And we had it at the house and you never ate it either.
I love it. I finished
But you never ate it.
Sarap. That's good, guys. Tammy's burger. This is the burger he made.
Positive. Don't think I know my own burgers.
You have this all, baby. Okay? Munggo, guys, munggo.
Is that your what?
Wala, sorry, hon. I thought you drink your scotch.
Only my barbecue.
Barbecue. Umiinom kasi siya ng scotch while that's his favorite thing to do while barbecue. Scotch. I don't know, it makes him
I have
happy.
one.
Makes you happy, honey,
You make it like I'm
barbecue.
having a bunch of them.
He loves barbecue and then drinking at the same time. He's not drinking, guys, like drinking like in the Philippines that after you drink you cannot walk. You're rolling on the ground because you're too drunk. Habs is keep jumping.
He's excited. He wants food.
There's no, yeah. Look. Keep attacking his sister, hon. Damn, sorry, damn. Your brother is annoying. I guess you don't need help. Huh?
I got it covered.
No, you don't. You don't get it covered. Okay. You're gonna do my hair. Ay, nako, honey. Oy, you hurt me, huh? You love hurting me, oy. Why
You're not even holding it in the right place.
I did. No, nilagay lang balik yan kasi wala ng hangin. Lahan. You're so madumi na, Han. Han, from the dust. Stay there. Stay there for the picture. Hold it. Like, hold the thing. Like, you try to twist it like that. Yun guys, i-end ko na to ditong vlog kasi wala namang kaganapan. And yun.